Let's talk about why your salary mysteriously evaporates before the month even starts, whether you're in London or New York. First of all, the bills. Rent in the UK or the US is not just rent. It's basically theft with a contract. London, £1,200 for a box with no windows. New York, $2,000 for a shoebox where your bed is also your kitchen. Then utilities jump in like, hey, did you want electricity with that? Council tax, Wi-Fi, water. Oh, and Netflix. Because how else would you cry over your financial situation? By the time the bills finish lining up, your salary is already waving goodbye. Next, groceries. You walk into Tesco or Walmart with a list. Bread, eggs, milk. £20 max, easy. But somehow you leave with oat milk, organic salmon, and snacks you don't even eat. Total, £86.49. And the cashier has the audacity to ask, do you want a bag? And Americans don't laugh. Y'all walk into Target for toothpaste and leave with a TV, a blender, and 3 candles you didn't need. Same struggle, different currency. Here's a silent killer. Lifestyle inflation. It's when your income goes up, but so do your expenses. Got a raise? Congrats! Now suddenly your old iPhone is embarrassing. New job? Obviously you need that designer bag. Earned a bonus? Time to upgrade your flat because why not live like a Netflix character? See the problem? Your lifestyle keeps upgrading every time your salary does, so you never actually feel richer. You're just a broke person with shinier toys. Lifestyle creep is sneaky. 1 Starbucks here, 1 takeaway there. But lifestyle inflation? That's a full-on glow-up that empties your account in 4K. Then your family or friends enter the chat, and your mum says, can you send something home? Your bestie says, we're going out this weekend. And the group chat says, let's book Ibiza. And you're like, sure, why not? I'm basically a millionaire for the next 3 hours. That's when the fear of missing out starts eating your wallet alive. You spend money you don't have to impress people who don't even notice. So, let's recap. Rent, bills, food, lifestyle creep, lifestyle inflation, and FOMO. Oh look, your salary just disappeared faster than my gym motivation in January. Okay, jokes aside, here's how to stop your money from ghosting you every month. Step 1. Pay yourself first. The second your salary lands, take 10 to 20% and hide it from yourself. Pretend it's gone. If you can't see it, you can't spend it. Step 2. Track every penny. Not sexy, I know. But that £3 coffee every morning, that's £90 a month. That's literally Wi-Fi, Netflix, and groceries combined. Step 3. Budget like you hate it. Use the 50 to 30 to 20 rule. 50% needs, rent, bills, food. 30% wants, Starbucks, Nando's, Target candles. 20% savings / investing. If you flip it to 50% wants, 30% vibes, 20% chaos, no wonder you're broke. Step 4. Don't upgrade too fast. Got a raise? Don't celebrate by upgrading your flat and car the next day. Bank the difference. Live like you're still on your old salary for just a year and watch how much you stack up. Step 5. Have a broke week challenge. Pick 1 week every month and spend nothing except on essentials. Meal prep, free entertainment, no takeout. You'll be shocked how much you save. Look, money doesn't just disappear. We kill it. Slowly. With Uber Eats receipts, lifestyle upgrades, and midnight Amazon orders. So if you're tired of being rich for 72 hours and broke for the next 28 days, it's time to flip the script. Now tell me in the comments, what's the dumbest thing you've ever blown your paycheck on? I'll go first. £45 on a candle. A candle. Don't judge me.